Reviews best motorcycles for beginners. Kawasaki Z400. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Kawasaki Z400. This versatile and beginner-friendly street fighter has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Kawasaki Z400 is a lightweight and agile street fighter designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 399 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the Z400 is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the Z400 offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 399 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The Z400 has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The Z400 is ideal for riders who are looking for a compact and affordable urban motorcycle. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Kawasaki Z400 stands out for its powerful engine and sporty design. Its larger displacement and more aggressive styling make it a great choice for riders who want a more exciting riding experience. Expert reviews. The Z400 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Z400 is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The Kawasaki Z400 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the Z400 is definitely worth considering.